guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Deloitte Recruitment Drive 2021 or Deloitte Off Campus Drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates or the later hiring updates and the interview preparation videos or the interview preparation guides. And also you can check our official YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So recently we have uploaded minimum of 100 to 150 videos regarding latest off campus and the interview preparation videos. So I am requesting all of you to watch this video, especially the latest videos, so that you will be able to know about the latest off campus updates across India and apply for the job roles by simply clicking on the links that we have provided in the description of each videos. So now let's discuss about the job role and the eligibility criteria and the application process. So step by step we'll be discussing. So I am requesting all of you to watch this video till the end for more details. So the job role they are hiring for analyst and job category is the business analyst and location they are hiring for Hyderabad only and salary will be getting 6.4 LPA plus. So this is the only for freshers. For the experienced candidates you will be getting salary as per your experience or according to your interview performance. Then experience required is freshers or the experienced candidates can apply for this job role. Then qualification. Only the B and BTech candidates can apply. Other background candidates like ME, MTech, BSc, BCA are not eligible unfortunately. Then batch. Any batch candidates can apply for this job role. That means the current year of pass out or the batch candidates are also eligible. That means the 2021 batch. And they have not asked for any specific background or branch here, so that means all the non-IT candidates like mechanical, civil, electrical and the IT background candidates like CSE and the CSIT candidates can apply for this job role irrespective of their branch. Then last date to apply for this job role is NA. They have not specified any last date, that means anytime the job profile may get expired. So I am requesting all of you to apply for this job role as soon as possible. So now let's discuss about the basic responsibility or the roles. So you have to understand the business requirements or the business needs and support the technical, functional or the process document creation and maintain an effective library. Build, test and deliver the solutions, support the application design and responsible for the technical specification creation and responsible for code development and unit testing. So these are the basic responsibilities. Then you must be responsible for the test data creation and test scripts creation and execution. These are the basic responsibilities. So later you can refer by yourself for other details or for more details. And then the required skills or the basic requirements. So you must have excellent analytical skills. So as they are hiring for the analyst job profile, so you must have good analytical skills and communication skill with verbal, written and presentational. Then ability to chart one own career and build networks within the organization and ability to work both the independently as part of the team with professionals at the all level. That means they are asking for the team, you can say team player. Then be deadline oriented and quality focused. So these are the basic requirements. So you must have strong verbal and written communication skill, demonstrate professionalism, good presentational skills, good general understanding of information technology or IT background things, good working knowledge of Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, good analytical skills at the end. So they have not asked for any specific programming languages here like C, Java or Python, C++, etc. So you must be knowing at least one programming languages. It's up to you, but you must be strong analytically and you must have good understanding of Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint and the IT background things. These are the basic requirements especially or the most or the needed experience or skills. So let me take you to the official website where you can apply for this job role if you are interested or if you are eligible. So this is the career site of Deloitte. Here you can check all these things as we discussed earlier. So these things. So if you are interested for this job role, you need to simply click on the apply now button here. So after that you will be able to apply for this job role. So first of all you need to have an account first in their official or in their career portal. So you need to put your username and password. So if you have not created any account already, then you need to simply click on the new user button here. After that, you will be able to register yourself in their official job portal. So first of all, you need to put your username, password, re-enter your password and email address. After that, you will be able to register, or you will be enrolled into their career portal. You need to simply click on the register button here. After that, you will be able to apply for this job role. If you have not created any account, first of all you need to register yourself. So this is an easy process. First of all, you need to attach your updated resume, then automatically it will fetch all these things. After that, you will need to check click on the their privacy policy, need to accept it. Then you will be able to submit the application process or the application form. So it will hardly taking 5 to 6 minutes to complete this application process. So it's a easy task. So I have not created any account in their official website, so that's why I am not explaining it. Otherwise it will take 15 minutes to create an account and explain it simultaneously. So it's a easy process. So if you are facing any doubts while applying for this job role, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.